You know, with the weather, you always got to be on guard.
I was going to say, you're always moving.
That's definitely true. Even when we're not talking about storms here, neighbors up to the northwest, Oklahoma, that's where the ongoing storm threat is, enhanced to a moderate risk of severe weather there. You notice the green here in East Texas, that's a marginal risk, but that's not until after midnight tonight that we will see a chance for some thunderstorms. We can't rule out a storm this evening, but I think that chance is decreasing very, very quickly. A look at the East Texas Storm Team live Doppler radar. You can notice that we have some heavier rainfall coming through portions of Oklahoma, several severe storms, and we also have some supercell storms. Those are individual type storms back just southeast now of Fort Smith, Arkansas. That's going to be heading toward Interstate 40 there shortly. These tornado watches in effect through the late evening hours. We'll come back home to our weather, and you'll notice for us here, everything is quiet. Yes, we have a lot more clouds that have picked up, especially in the central areas in the last 30 to 45 minutes, but we don't have any precipitation outside here at this time. That is good, certainly because we have the available energy in the atmosphere to support some thunderstorms. But our instability appears to be decreasing at this point, so that's going to help really put an end to our storm risk for the evening hours. That will change after midnight. Lower to mid 80s right now. At times when we had more sun, the heat index was close to 90 degrees, so certainly a very humid afternoon. The breeze, thankfully, we have that 10 to 15 miles an hour, a sustained wind at this current moment. Futurecast, the high resolution model still develops a few showers out near Interstate 45, but we're just not seeing anything happen there. That's why the rain chance overall is going to remain very isolated and decreasing by the minute as we go through the evening. Now, later tonight, storms begin to cross the Red River, and they'll begin to move into East Texas. Notice here as we get to about 2-3 a.m., we're starting to see those storms approach near Interstate 30. If they're holding the strength that what Futurecast is showing here, we have the potential to see these storms produce gusty winds, maybe some large hail, and isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. So we'll be watching this carefully into the overnight early morning hours. Now notice where the bulk of this goes. It will follow the overall precipitation path, head to the southeast. So areas east of Highway 69 and I would say north of 79 would have the best chance for seeing some of the thunderstorms into tomorrow morning. Now this is 7 a.m. Cold front starts to move in. Anywhere ahead of the front, we're looking at warm and humid conditions, but that's going to be the majority of East Texas. The front will slide through. Not much expected with the front. A couple of hit and miss showers or a couple of thunderstorms are possible, but that is about it. If you are north of this front tomorrow, you'll see lower temperatures compared to what deep East Texas sees. Look at the highs tomorrow afternoon. We've got upper 80s in our southern counties, but low 70s, and maybe a case can be made for some 60s in our northern counties, really dependent upon how much cloud cover that we see. And then on Thursday, that's when we'll see our next chance for some stronger thunderstorms. We're under the scatter risk here at this point. Greater threat will be off to the east. Right now, most computer models are indicating that these storms move in on Thursday midday and into the afternoon. If this is going to verify out, that allows us to heat up a lot more on Thursday afternoon. And then we start to see the storms increase for Thursday evening into the early nighttime hours. This is where we could have some more intense thunderstorms, and that possibility of severe weather will exist also. So that's what we'll need to watch for. The storm chances are best all the way through Thursday. 7-day forecast. A little bit cooler tomorrow. Still muggy though. Then we're back to the more intense heat. Thursday, storm chances pick up. Now we are dry, it appears, heading into Mother's Day weekend, but look at the day on Sunday, a high of 91 degrees. It is going to be very, very humid. Deep East Texas, I expect a couple of storms tomorrow, not a whole lot, and not much overnight tonight. Our next storm chance, though, for you will come with everybody else. That will be on Thursday, late afternoon and evening, possibly severe.
92 for Mom?
Whoo!
Whoo, I'll tell you what.